Hi everyone, it's Miss Owen here at BMS, and today I'm going to show you how to combine like terms as well as simplifying expressions. So let's first talk about combining like terms and what that means. So if we look at our first example says 9r plus 22r. So let me try to put it to you in a little bit simpler form. Think about R stands for rabbits. If you have 9 rabbits and you add 22 more rabbits, how many rabbits is that? So it's 31. 9 plus 22 is 31, but we would say that the answer is 31 rabbits or 31R. Okay? So the next one, 19z minus 24z plus 6z. You're going to take 19 minus 24 and then add 6 z's, and you're going to get 1z, or in this case, we are just going to say z. Remember, in algebra, you never need to put a 1 in front of a variable because it's just known that z is worth 1. Okay? So the next one, we have n plus 4n minus 3. So in this problem, what can we combine? We can combine the n's, and when you box these up, it's highly recommended to take the sign with everything that you're boxing up. That tells you whether you're going to add or subtract. So when I take this n, I'm going to add 4 more n's to it because the sign is plus sign. So n plus 4n is 5n. The minus 3 right here has nothing else to combine with, so we're just going to write down minus 3, and then my answer is just 5n minus 3. So let's look at some more complicated examples. We have 4.3, and then in parentheses 5.6 plus c, and then in parentheses plus 9c. So what you want to do on these types of problems is first use the distributive property to distribute that 4.3 to everything inside of the parentheses. So 4.3 times 5.6 is 24.08. And 4.3 times positive c is positive 4.3c. And then we want to just bring down everything else, which is plus 9c. Then from there, you look at what you can combine. So I can combine my c's together. So I'm going to take the sign with it. So I take the plus 4.3c. That tells me it's a positive 4.3c. And I take the sign with the 9c. So this tells me that I'm going to add these two together, and I'm left with 13.3c. And then to bring down this 24.08, it's positive, so I'm going to write down plus 24.08. Okay, so let's look at another one. This problem here is 16b minus 4, and then in parentheses c plus 3, into parentheses, and then minus 4b. So in this problem, the only thing that we are distributing is this negative 4. So the 16b, you can just bring it down by rewriting it. And now I'm going to distribute negative 4 to c and negative 4 to positive 3. So negative 4 times c is negative 4c. And negative 4 times positive 3 is negative 12. And then I want to write down everything else, which is minus 4b. Then we go to combining like terms. When we combine like terms, you combine in alphabetical order, and then our constants, which are just numbers, are always last. So I want to look at this, and I want to start by combining my b's. So I'm going to box up my 16b, that's positive, and minus 4b. Because I took the sign, I'm not asking myself, do I add or subtract? I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to subtract because of this sign. So if you have 16 b's in your hand and you take 4 b's away, you're left with 12. So I have 12b. Alphabetical order, I go to my c's. I only have negative 4c. So I'm going to write that down. There's nothing else to combine with. And then my constants, my numbers, which is negative 12. So I write down minus 12. And then this is my answer. So that's a few examples of combining like terms. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all found this helpful.